Welcome back. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're subscribed. Today's video is going to be how I refresh Nova's curls. Now, I believe that this product has been very beneficial in growing Nova's hair out. I also use the oil when I wash her hair. I listed the oil in our night routine video, so if you want to know about that oil, go check that video out, and I show you guys what I wash her hair with and how I distribute the oil into her roots. Right now, I'm just continuing to detangle. I usually finger comb throughout her entire head till I feel like all the cream is dispensed properly throughout her hair. Nova wanted to do her own thing and put her own bow in. I should have let her do it when I had the chance, because every moment after this it was so hard to get her bows in.
Come through, I think I need you.
But I got them in and they were a little lopsided. Do your kids' bows however you are able to with them being them, because I will say it was hard for me to do her hair because I think she wanted a nap. I should have gave her a nap before I did the video, but this is what I came out with. The point of this video was not about her bows. The point of this video was the product that I used to grow her hair out and how I properly dispense the product throughout her entire head. Here's a video of her once she was sleeping, and you can see how the curls are very, very defined and formed once the cream dries. I really, really love this product. Not only does the cream help moisturize your hair, not only does it help to grow your hair, but also the smell is so amazing. All of her products are really amazing when it comes to smell and also hair growth, so I definitely recommend this product. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.